Hey everybody, I wanted to talk about these Vevor ratchet straps. These were given to me for the purpose of this review. It's a 4-pack of ratchet straps here, you can see. It also comes with 2 long bungee cords, 4 soft loops, and some Velcro straps. Basically, you have your ratchet end here, and then your strap end here. You can take the end of your strap. And an easy trick I've been teaching my kids on how to use these, basically you press this button to move this ratchet. And basically you kind of want to make a duck head. So here's the head of a duck. And you want to feed the duck a tongue. So there's a slot back here. You put this strap through that slot just like so. And if you can see here, the duck has a tongue right now. So you take that tongue, and there's another hole up here. Ducks fly up in the air, so you take that strap up in the air. And now you have threaded your ratchet strap. Okay, so just for a quick example, I'm going to ratchet this bench onto this table. These come with these nice clips on the end. I'm going to clip that to the table. That's on there. I'm going to go to the other end and I'm going to clip my other end. I got my other end there. So I'm going to take my strap and just pull it all the way through. I'm pulling it all the way tight until I get all the slack out and it's nice and tight. And then you simply start ratcheting. And that's nice and tight now. If you want to take your slack and tie it up and secure that, that's good. To release this, all you need to do is press this button and pull up. And that releases the strap. So very easy. I'm going to go through that one more time. You can see here you make a duck head, just like that. There's a slot in the back. You're going to feed a tongue through the duck for the duck. So that strap goes through the back. Now the duck has a tongue right there. Ducks fly up, so you take this end of the strap and you take it up through this hole here. Then all you have to do is pull the slack tight. Once that's tight, you're just going to start ratcheting and you're good to go. Again, to release it, make sure it's locked in place down like that. And that's not going to go anywhere. To release it, all you have to do is press this button, pull up, and that's going to release your slack. And that's it. As you can see, it comes with a nice carry bag, and there are these soft loops. So if you come over here, for example, if you had a bicycle or something with some kind of handle that you couldn't get the ratchet around, you can just kind of take the soft loop, see there, bend it around and pull it through the one hole. Now you can take your ratchet end and simply hook onto that soft loop. And that's a way to attach the things that this ratchet end might not be able to get onto. If you have any trouble getting this onto anything, consider the soft loop. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.